Another warning from local government minister Desmond McKenzie that sections of the entertainment industry could be shut down once again. Now this, if revelers and promoters fail to obey the health guidelines to prevent an outbreak of the COVID-19 during the usually festive Emancipendence period. Dwayne Anderson reports.
Holidays, beaches and parties often go hand in hand for Jamaicans. So with the country approaching the Emancipendence period in early August, there is an acceptance that many Jamaicans will flock to their favorite spots in large numbers. But it is a worry for the authorities who are keen to contain the coronavirus. Local government minister Desmond McKenzie says far too many Jamaicans have become relaxed regarding the COVID-19 pandemic.
And the common phrase now in Jamaica is that COVID nah keep. I want to say to you here that is far from being so. If there's a time when we must become more vigilant and practice the protocols that have been laid down by the Ministry of Health, I think this is the time for it now.
The local government minister suggested that a lockdown of certain sectors could happen again, depending on how promoters, patrons and other entertainment seekers conduct themselves over the coming days.
And I know that parties is a way of life for many communities, especially in rural Jamaica. So everybody going to want to keep them like a session over the holidays. I'm going to say to you, observe the protocols. Because if, and let me say it again, if the government is forced to take actions, then we are going to take those actions to protect the wider Jamaica.
Since the country reopened its borders, over 50,000 Jamaicans have returned home. Around 20,000 of those persons are supposed to be in home quarantine. Mr. McKenzie admitted some of them are not doing so.
Can be business as usual. And don't fall for no propaganda that people is telling you that what the government is doing is taking away your rights, pretending as if COVID is not real. It is real.
Persons who breach the curfews, stay-at-home orders or the other health guidelines can be fined up to $1 million or 6 months imprisonment. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.